Here I have Motorola Defy, and today I'm going to show you how to take a burst shot or the series of photos on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then switch to the normal photo mode, and here in this mode you have to hold down shutter button, and after that the burst shot will start. So let me show you. So you just hold it, and as you can see my device takes burst shot right now, and here we can review all these shots just like this. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.